Mic test, mic test. Well, can you hear me, guys? Any? Right. Sounds good now. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let me check and if everything is good. Right. Right. Yes. Okay. Good. 谢谢你, Manwai. Thank you very much, guys. All right. Okay. So yeah. Today after a long rest, so coming back here again. Let me share with all of you guys. Let me have a warm up session first. Okay. So I will. Let me go with this live streaming for the first 2 hours. Okay. Then we will then later on, if I can carry on, then we will go on. All right. Okay. Hi, Joshi boy. Thank you so much. Welcome back, great man. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you guys for coming back and stay put with us. Okay. So yeah, and coming back here to put in a lot of effort to catch time back with all of you. Right. Okay. Thank you so much. Really, thank you so much. Yeah, and winter, I think winter is coming very soon in the next 1 or 2 months, and we also have Australia. We also moving into 1 hour difference again, right? So yeah, hopefully Joshi boy, you're good over there. Okay. All right, thank you. Okay. Hi, Stefano. Thank you so much for coming back here. What do you think about? I'm sorry, break out. Okay, some. Okay. Kiwi franc. Let me see. Kiwi franc. Search for my Kiwi franc. Okay, so let me go through one by one. Okay. Yeah, a bit lagging, right? Okay, yeah, I know. I guess there's some lagging over here. So let me see. Okay, let me see if I can solve the issue. Okay, yeah. The internet is okay, but it's the platform. It's the platform. So just give me a while. Okay. Right. Then let's see. For Kiwi franc, right? Kiwi franc over here. Generally, for Kiwi franc, I'm looking out for selling. The trend is on the in the mode of selling. By looking into this area here, I will be taking a look into this area here where I see seems like the selling has come down to this area here, right? Has come down to this area here, and started to it started to seems like it's landing. It seems like it's landing and breaking through the support here is still looking into selling. However, we are now meeting up with the support level here. All right, this level of support. So if we are going for a selling, I will be suggesting that it will be good that it will break the support, retest the support to allow the support become a resistance. Then you go for a selling. If you're looking for a buying, then I guess this will be good for you to wait for. This will be a good price for you to wait for a good chance. When it's set up for a support, then we go for a buy, right? So, but if you're going for a buy, okay, please remember that we we are actually going against the trend, because the trend right now we are in the selling. Okay, so it will be good for me. It will be good. It will be good that it will break the support, and when you come back to retest as a resistance, then we will go for a selling. I think that will be much better. Okay, that will be so much better. All right. Okay, that's for Stefano. All right, that's for Stefano. Okay, so yes, so what else that we are looking out for? Well, for dollar yen, all right, we have one coming in. Hi, Hubert. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm early by 1 hour. Yeah, okay, yes. Okay, we have, yeah, because Lambda is coming back. GU is coming. Okay, let's take a look. GU, all right. All right. Dobra jutro, Caro. Nice to see you here. F you. Fool. Yeah. Thank you so much for all the regards and care and concerns have been sent over to me. Really, thank you so much. Okay, I can feel it and I'm touched. Okay, right. So yeah, for pound dollar looks good. Okay, for tentatively, if you're looking for pound dollar, it should be looking buying. Okay, we since last year we have been focusing on pound dollar for quite a while on the selling. Then after that, now it's climbing into this area here for a selling. Looks like it looks like it's climbing for a selling. But tentatively, we should be still looking out for this buying trend here. All right. So, but now by looking into this, okay, it actually come into this area here for a resistance. The resistance has been tested for a few rounds, and now it's coming in for the selling. That's for the pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar looks good, and I still see some 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Okay, the support, plenty of space there. Plenty of space there for you to grab, Manwai. One here, there's one area here we should be taking care of, about 18 pips. Right, about 18 pips. And wow, that's quite a clean traffic down there, Alright, so pound dollar looks pretty good here. After this, wow, the selling, this area here, if you're looking into this area of selling here, looks like it's quite tough. If you're going to sell GU, okay, it's going to be quite tough. In a way, that it is more onto, let me see. Okay, let's move this up a little bit. Let's move this. All the lines that I haven't been changing for the past 2 weeks. Okay, so let's take a look. Yep. Okay. Yes, hi Sabrina, thank you. Yeah. Okay, we are looking at the pound dollar right now. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, if you are looking into this area here, right, this area looks good. All right, this area looks good. But if you are going to look at all the candles over here, it seems like there's all these are quite tough. If you're going to sell pound dollar, it's going to take a long while, man. Okay, yeah, it's going to take a long while. A lot of turbulence there. So GU is going to retest as 124.291. Let's see. Okay, 124.291. Yeah, I think 124.291. This area here has been retested. Okay, this area here, the resistance has been retested. As you can see, the rejections, 这个是那个反击位哈 rejections. But the thing is that all these rejections, it only came down to the support over here. Yeah, it only came down to the support over here. So in this way, well, seems like you know, for the past few candles here, it hits on the support, it got rejected back, support rejected back, support rejected back once again. So right now it seems like it came down here once again with a full selling candle, but yet it's unable to break the support. So it seems like it's going to set up the support and going for a buy. Okay, going to test the resistance once again. So I would prefer to wait for a little while more. Okay, I would suggest to wait. Okay, I suggest to wait first. Don't sell first. Okay, don't sell first. All right. Yeah. So at the moment, okay, at the moment, by looking into this area here, if this is going to break above, seems like it's going to set up a support. Okay, retest this as a support, and then it will go for the up. Okay, then it will go for the up. So I'll prefer that hang on first, don't sell first. Okay, don't sell first. Right. So that's one. Okay, that's one. So I would suggest just hang on for a little while. All right. Yeah, just hang on first. Correct. Okay. So yeah. Okay, for pound dollar, we have to wait for a little while. All right. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Flora. Yes. So I have a change of my hairstyle. Is it, or is it too messy today? Oh yeah. You know, I have a problem here. I'm losing a lot of hair because I didn't see all of you for quite a while. Okay. Right. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Hi, Roger. Thank you for coming in, Roger. Roger from Malaysia, right? Okay. I don't know why you're. Yeah. I don't know why how you end up in that. Having a good time with Hubert. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Nice to see you back here, Caro. Same to me. Same to you. Same to me. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I miss all of you so much, man. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So that's for pound dollar. Okay. So let us screen through a little bit on the dollar yen. I'm actually looking out for dollar yen today. Right. Dollar yen. Well, I guess this area here, as you can see, I have plotted out this area. This area is my profitable area here. So for this area, it came down. It came in this area for quite some time. Okay, but it actually after that it started to boom up again. So this area is still there, has not been taken out yet. All right. So along the way, let's see. I'm also looking out into this area here. Right, this area here. I think this area here is also quite good. Okay, so this is one of the area here I'm actually checking out. Okay, so looks nice. Okay, it's looking good into this area that from now, okay, we are going to sell down into this area about 100 pips. So within this area, we have about 37 pips. Okay, about 37 pips, which I see, which is still quite good. But of course, we still need the dollar yen to actually comes into this area here. Right, so there's still quite a long way to come in. All right. So along the way, when it starts selling, of course, we have to check whether is there a good chance for the selling. But for dollar yen, as we can see over here, the selling came down here. The trending actually comes in and ended here because the break of structure over here, as you can see, the break of structure started to go long, right? And it came back to retest this area here, but unsuccessful to go further down for the sellers. Then after that, it started to form, it seems like the whole thing here, okay, it seems like the whole thing here, it started to form a W here, right? Correct. It's going to break the structure. It's breaking the structure and moving towards the north. So over at this point here, when it started to over at this area here, as you can see, this structure here continued the breaking, retest as a support, continue to go by. So after this comes in here, it breaks the structure. It breaks the structure, but it can bounce back. It can bounce back above the support area. So currently we are still in the support area over here. So in order for it to come into my profitable area here, okay, this area here, right, it has to break this area so that when it retests this area to confirm and show us that the current situation is being resisted, then we will have a good chance that the price will be going into this area. Okay, so that should be quite a good one. Okay, because I think there are plenty of liquidity over here to be taken out. Okay, So yeah, that's the first phase. Okay, then we have another phase down here, which is another one. All right. Hi, Alan Woon. Welcome back. Thank you so much. Good afternoon to you. Well, congratulations to you as well. I seen that while I'm away, I saw you captured a 40 pips, right? Okay, a 40 pips. I think that's good. That's pretty good. Well, amazing. I think that's very, very good. Yeah. Okay, so that's one. All right. Yes. Yep. You have plenty of messages to reply in your Facebook page. Do take a time to look at my inbox messages. All right, sure. Thank you so much. I don't really have a time to reply all the messages, and yeah, and Jamie and Paulina. Okay, Jamie is on duty, but Paulina is on leave. Well, okay, Paulina is on the Chinese side, Mandarin side, to reply all the Chinese characters, right? But for Paulina, that's for Paulina. But Jamie will be English. Yeah, she's currently she's in London, right? So yeah, but in order for her to reply, please watch out for her working hours. Okay, but no worries. I will reply your message very, very soon. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, and next to go. Okay, so come back here. Okay, we'll come back here in for dollar yen. So for dollar yen today, actually, I'm actually also looking out for selling. Why is that so? Because sorry, I shouldn't move this. Let me. Where's my resistance line? Okay. So let's see. So it's very obvious, right? From the past, since the 10 April. Yeah, obviously when I was all and when it escalated, all right, shift. So right now, as we can see over from hey, come on, give me back. You know, give me back my streaming volume. All right, I'm not. Yeah, so funny with your action. Okay, thank you so much. I'm here to humor you guys. Okay, so as we can see over here, right, the resistance over at this point here, we can see one resistance and tested as a double top here. So now it started to shrink down and retested over here. As we can see, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Am I right? So it's a form of resistance. So as we can see, the resistance formed here. All right. Then after that, it retests this as a support, breaks and retest this support and become a resistance. So that's where it becomes a head and shoulder. All right, so if we can see very clearly, it's going to be a head and shoulder. All right, so I think if you're looking into the day, I think it's quite obvious. All right, so once again, okay, so come back here. So it's very obvious here, the head over here, coming here as a left shoulder, coming here as a right shoulder. So the right shoulder is forming right now. So we are looking into the support over here and are hoping to see that it may continue to go down to take this area and go into this area, all right, to clear this area. So we should be looking out for the dollar yen for about 100 pips to go, all right. But of course, along the way, we have 133.939 as a support as well, which is the opening of the day, all right. It's something that we also need to take note, all right. So this is one. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, now I know what's happening. Okay, I sound very soft, huh? Okay, yeah, my I forgot to tune up my mic. My God. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look. Pound dollar is breaking the support. Well done. Okay, so over here. Okay, it looks good now. Our pound dollar looks good. Okay, so I think pound dollar is looking good, but the pound dollar, do remember if you're looking out for this. All right, now it's turning in. Seems like there's a. Let me check. Okay. First of all, I'm checking out is there any break of structure here. Okay, so let's see the moving towards. Okay. Then the support is here, the very main one. Once it breaks this area here, okay, we can see that the breaking of the structure is also. So it's working on, now it's working on to break the structure. Okay, it's working on to break the structure. So please be careful. All right. And if you are selling off, this is the space as well. This is the space as well that can be taken out. Okay, so let's check on the H1. Well, if looking at H1, this area here is quite balanced, and we have very clean traffic over here as well. So I'm going to take this as about 40 over pips to go. Pound dollar, good to sell. That looking out for quite a good number of pips. Yeah. Let me see here. Okay, pound dollar, yes. Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar looks pretty good. Okay, pound dollar looks pretty good. Okay. Do I sound weird? How can I sound? I felt like yeah, anyway, never mind. As long as you guys can hear me. Okay. Once again, over at this point here, all right, looks like this pound dollar is going for the selling now. Okay, yeah, you can look out for this pound dollar. Okay, you can look out for this pound dollar, right? Looks good. So I'm gonna put this up, right? Okay, so over at this point here, pound dollar is breaking out of the support. So be patient, alright? So if this pound dollar is going to retest back again, retest this area to allow it to form the support that become a resistance, the new resistance coming down, then we go for the selling. We should have about, the first stage is about 30, about 1 turbulence area here, 2, 1, 2, wow, it's quite balanced, huh? Everything is quite balanced here, except this area here. The first will be about 34 pips. Then the final, I think, will be about 52 pips. Okay, yeah, 34 and 52. Okay, GU, pound dollar, yeah. Okay, let's wait for the retesting. Okay, I think it should be quite good, yeah. Good. Yeah, dollar yen. Can we sell dollar yen now? Let's take a look. Dollar yen. Yeah, dollar yen. Wow, looks good. Okay, looks good. Dollar yen. Wow, dollar yen is good. Dollar yen. Yeah, dollar yen. Looks good. Dollar yen. We have about 8 pips as a turbulence area here, and about 26 pips. Dollar yen. Let me check. Let me see. Yeah, about, yeah, the first stage. This is going to is going back to test on the opening. It's going back to test the opening here. Okay, so from here to here, about 26 pips. Dollar yen, right? Dollar yen. Okay. Yeah, dollar yen is also good for the selling. Dollar yen. Yeah. And I think that should be one that should be also good to pay attention to. Pound dollar, dollar yen, right? Pound dollar and dollar yen. Yeah, looks good. Okay, pound dollar and dollar yen. Then that looks pretty good as well. Okay. Yeah. When the about 26 pips. Yes. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen about 26 pips from now. Okay, there's a trigger here. Okay, a green, red, red. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, starting to run very soon. Okay, and yeah, dollar yen. That's dollar yen. 每日哈，每日。Yep. Okay. Yeah. Then over at this point here, dollar yen. There's one level here also. Yeah, just need to pay attention to. Let me plot it out here. Okay, so it should be here. Yeah. Okay, should be here. So this area is now is, as we can see, right, the starting of the day. What a day, man! What a day to start off with. And then it started to bounce, okay, and go up, up, up to create this liquidity up here. Okay, now this is the Asia high. So seems like there's in terms of M5, there's a breaking of a structure, the buying structure now. Okay, so the buying structure has been disturbed. Retest. Can you see this area of retesting here? Right, so it's still keeping it as a resistance. So the selling is still there. Right, the selling is still there. So just nice, the entry came in. Right, okay, so entry came in this area here. Right, so this area green, red, and red over here start to sell now. Okay, it's started to sell. That's good. That's good. Looks pretty good. Okay, we still have about another 22 pips. Just now was 26. Am I right? About 26. So we still have 22 to go. Okay, about 22 to go. Yeah. One area over here, it should be then there's a turbulence area here. There may be some area here. Yeah, this area here. 134, 156 to 134, 113. Yeah, this area here, there may be some turbulence. That means there may be some support, a little support may surface. Yeah, it's coming in. Okay. So we may need a little bit of time, a little bit more. Okay, so yeah. And pound dollar, let's take a look at pound dollar. Just now we are talking about pound dollar, right? Okay, pound dollar retested this and now still in this area of support. Okay, so Kiwi franc for Stefano, I'm not sure if you are still there. Okay, the support is still, now we are on the supports now. Okay, so this is an anti-trend. It may be a retracement. So allow it to retrace maybe later on, then there may be a good chance for the selling. Okay, yeah, so yeah, let's take a look. Bitcoin 30,000. Okay, and for the past 2 weeks, yeah, for the gold wise, I think we actually hit another well, another nice price. Okay, that we are coming near into 2060, but it did not, right? It did not hit 2060, right? Okay, so as for the goal, yeah, 2061, but we didn't manage to hit that. Yeah, okay, so it's on the upward move. Okay, so for the goal wise, tentatively, then there may be a lot of turbulence or everything. All right, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. If you're asking me about the Bitcoin wise, I would say that this 35,000 will be the target. 35. Okay, 35. Yeah, 35 will be the target. All right, about 35. I think 35 something, but I can't remember the exact figures. Okay, but 35, it should be it's around 35,000. It should be the target. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so let's come back here. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, usually when pound dollar such a selling candle like this, well, don't rush. Okay, don't rush into a trade because it's actually trying to form a magnet. Okay, it's trying to form a magnet. It's trying to form one liquidity point. Then it will start to retrace back. Then after that, then we will start the selling. Okay, no rush, no rush. Okay, just take it easy. Right, just take it easy. So I'm sure that there will be plenty of chance later on. Okay, so what else, guys? If you want to take a look, do let me know. Do ping me. Okay, so leave your messages inside the comment. Okay, right. So do remember, for people who are on the Facebook, do pop over to me. Okay, on my YouTube, so that I can see you directly. All right. Okay. For people on the Zoom, don't bother. Okay, yeah. Yes, good. Yes. Guten Morgen. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah. And how's the weather in Germany right now? Pretty good. That's nice. Will Deutsche Bank actually face any crisis? And now the banking system is actually going a lot of rumors going around about the banking system. Whether it's going anywhere, I think we just need to wait for we will just wait for the news. We don't go and speculate the news. Okay, then let's see how it goes first. Yeah, but the important part is that I will say that whether is it for the war, Russia-Ukraine war, COVID, or even system, or even the cryptocurrency that's going to be, okay, ultimately we to bubble. Am I right? Okay. Exactly. Still well, mic test. Hey, what's wrong? Okay. Dollar. Yes, dollar yen. Go on, dollar yen will all good now. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Carol. Yeah. Good. Dollar yen, yeah, dollar yen is still trying to push through this area here, turbulence area. Okay, so as we can see, right, so we are still pushing through this area here. What is all this, right? What are all these, right? Oh my god. Yeah, I think let's see what's going to happen when the price come into this area. Okay, it's going to be very interesting. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting, huh? Okay, so I think that's pretty good over here. We have ran for about 7 pips right now. Okay, so this area here is quite a turbulence area here, so it may go a little bit slow. But once it went through this, we should be looking out into this area here. About another 18 pips to go. Okay, another 18 pips to go. All right. Okay. Yeah. I think that there should be still quite good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 你还听得到我说话吗 ？Okay， 还听得到我说话吗 ？Can you still hear me? Okay, can right. Okay. So probably there may be. Okay, that's good. That's good. You can still hear me. Okay, that's good. That's good. Right. Nice. 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 Okay, that's good. That's good. Yes, go TP 10 pips. All right, congratulations, Carlo. Well done. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right. So we are on the selling for the goal. Yeah. Wow. Nice catch. Oh, what a. Oh, this area here. Well, this area here. Sending out the resistance. Sending out the resistance. And now going for the selling. All right. So I guess the pound dollar should be coming as well. Pound dollar. Pound dollar is coming as well. Pound dollar is coming as well. Okay. GU looks good, right? Very good, very good. Okay, so pound dollar, we should be looking out for one area here. Let me see. Okay, let me check. Gold was rejected in 1981. Okay, I think that's pretty good. For pound dollar, pound dollar. Okay, so this pound dollar, sorry. 1, 2, check. Okay, so pound dollar here. Looks like they still have a good chance for about 30 over pips to go. Well, pretty nice. Okay, pretty nice over here. Pound dollar after these rejections here. Okay, go from here. Right, the support breaks, retest the support as a resistance now. Trigger open below the resistance area. Well, looks good. Okay, it looks good, but like I said, for pound dollar, there may be some. It's quite a difficult journey, but it may take quite a while to swing down. Okay, so just be a little bit careful. Would it be good to wait for another retesting over here? I think it is still good to wait for the retesting over here, or another lower resistance. Okay, this is one resistance, right? Another lower resistance that's going to form below, and then I think will be so much better. Then it will be so much better. Okay, yeah, we do have a space. We do have some space here. Okay, so just pay attention to this area here. Yeah, I think it's still good to wait for this area here. It's coming. It's getting near because candles has started to open below the resistance area. Yeah, pretty good. Yes, it's pretty good. So let's take a look at the gold. Okay, rejected at 1981, 34, 1981, 34 around this area here. Yeah. Okay, so pretty cool. This one, yeah. Okay, as we can see over here, area here. Yeah. This one should be still looking good. support is at to this area here. Yeah, this is nice. One, two. Okay. Well, I think there's a good catch over here for the gold wise. Yeah, let's wait for another round. Okay. I caught only 30% of the move as I was on key bell. I see. Okay. Yeah. I thought okay, so key bell, huh? How do you feel getting the profit while you're sitting on it? Well, nice anyway. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, dollar yen. Let's come in dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Yep, dollar yen. Yeah, we are. Seems like the dollar yen is still trying to press very hard. It's actually coming into this area here, like we said, this area here, right? So this area, yeah. UJ, yes, dollar yen looks very good. Yeah, dollar yen looks pretty good. Okay, so over at this point here, we'll be looking into this area that waiting for it to sell to break through this whole area first. Okay, this whole area. There's a can you see all these can you see all these here, right? Then seems like there's some support over at this point here. Some turbulence area, not support here. Huh? Let's see. Yep. Okay. So the whole area here. Okay, so let's see. As we can see here. So hopefully it can press through. Once it press through, we are going to get into this area here. It's going to be very interesting. Okay. Then later on, then we will see that how it actually comes down to take the low here. Okay, let's see over at this point. Okay, so this area here. Okay, I'm waiting for it to take the low. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to take the low before the reversal comes in. So dollar yen, okay, dollar yen is good for the selling. Earlier on, there's a selling. There's one selling entry over here. All right. Then for now, it still looks pretty good. Okay, it still looks pretty good. However, we are just very near to this turbulence area. That's all. Okay. If you are willing to accept this turbulence area and you want to enter, okay, I think you can. Okay, if it breaks the area here, right? So this area here, let's take a look. Okay, over here, from here to here, as we can see, right? This is like over here. Okay, and once it breaks through this area, then we will have another round of selling, about 20 pips to go. Okay, for such a situation, you can classify yourself first as a level of acceptance for the risk. First, if you are a risk taker, well, if you can stomach high risk, then you can take stomach high risk. Well, this is one of the entry you can consider. Okay, but if the next candle is going to open up as a support, as you can see, some rejections as is coming in right over here. So it may form as a consolidation. Right. Other than that, you can wait for it to break this area. Okay. Then after that, you can start trading below that, this area here. Of course, when we talk about start trading, we need to form a new resistance once again below this area. Okay, below this area into this area here. If there's another resistance that's forming up like this, okay, then you may consider as another selling order. All right. Okay, so that will be much for people who are on the adverse side, the risk adverse side. Okay, yeah. Okay. So dollar yen can hang on for a little while. Okay, but if you are looking into the selling already, then probably then you may want to wait for the London market to open. We have about another 3 minutes to go. Okay, another 3 minutes to go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that should be up to you. Up to you. Yeah. Okay. So basically, I'm here to actually to tell you, okay, the situation here, right? Okay. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, guys, do you know that do you know that I'm not a signal provider, huh? Okay, just to let you know. Okay, because nowadays I think there are certain countries that they don't allow even on the YouTube to share your trading idea, not trading idea, your trading signal, something like that. Okay, yeah, I may be barred from that. Okay, so I do not want to be barred from that. Yeah, I heard but this information has not been concrete yet, so I'm not sure. But all this while I'm not a single provider, just to let you know, right? I am putting this statement across the YouTube, so making sure that nobody will bar me from the YouTube channel. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. Disclaimer first. Yeah. Disclaimer always come first. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry, my dear. I've forgotten about that. Okay. Let me switch it on. Okay. Okay, I will, yeah, let me see. Let me switch it on, yeah. Alright. So far, I think should be quite good, still good. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The moment I talk about the disclaimer, and you're talking about disclaim your disclaim your TBL experience. That moment, okay, yeah, immediately I went off again. This American freedom is ridiculous. I don't know how true it is. Okay, but I think it's not from it's from some other countries. Okay, yeah. So anyway, well, dollar yen, yes, dollar yen is coming for the selling. Dollar yen. Okay, London, good morning. Yeah, I miss London so much. Okay. How dollar is selling as well. How dollar is testing onto the, well, nice test. Can you see? Very nice test to the support as a resistance now. So probably, yeah, let's see if we get a chance later on in the next 5 minutes. Okay, this is the first 2 minutes of the hour, so please be patient. Hang on first. No worries. Yeah, dollar yen is going to take away, because to take this away. All right, it's going to take this away. Yeah, it's going to take this away. Yeah.哎呀，我要怎么录制啊？我录制不了了，现在是不是？我都忘记了怎么录制啊。 你那边可以录制吗？哦，我有了，找到了。OK。Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay. Well, as we can see right now, this is okay. 没关系，我来录制。Okay. Okay. So this area, let's allow it to break through this area. Then we are coming in. Okay. Very interesting. And let's see how it's going to be. Yeah. Give me the data, please. Yeah. Your camera is off. Yeah, my camera is off. Let me take a look. Okay, yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm back here. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm waiting for dollar yen. Okay, I'm waiting for the dollar yen to actually. I'm not sure how many of you have actually entered this dollar yen. All right. So I wonder if I can move my whole piece, my whole laptop over, just like Carl was saying. Okay. Into my key bell. Okay. Yeah, so wondering what will happen. Okay, yeah, anyway, don't fool around. Well, okay. And well, let's see. Guys, do remember to smash the like button, okay? Do remember to smash the like button, all right, for me, if you are enjoying this session with me. Right. Okay. Yeah. What is that? 老师能不能说华语？老师是可以讲华语，不是很好。但是现在这个时段是英语的，如果要中文的，我们可以晚上的时间8点钟哈。OK， 8点钟。OK， yeah. Alright, so yeah, for Mandarin session is GMT +8, 2000 hours. Okay. Yeah, we are trying to get out of this area. Seems like a bit tough here, huh? Okay, so hang on. Let's see. Okay, if this is going to give another push further down to capture the low there. Well, maybe there's a good chance. Right. So for the pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar now. Well, pound dollar looks like now it's getting into the momentum of selling for the pound dollar. Yeah. Pound dollar looks good. Pound dollar looks good. Okay. Pound dollar looks good. Right. And how about the gold? Let's see. Looks like the gold from this area here. Let's take a look at the space here first. We have about 11. On my chart, it's about 11. Targeted about 19. 19, huh? Yeah. About 19 there. Yep. Gold-wise, gold selling. A short-term selling should now be looking, but please be careful first, because over at this area here, seems like there's some support over here. Is to push back to look out for this area here. Okay, let's see. If I'm going to sell, we're looking out into this area here, right? Yeah, I think this area here first. Yeah, still forming up the selling. Still forming up the selling point to enter the key levels. I'm talking about the key levels. Well, dollar yen is into this area now a bit. There's a lot of turbulence, as we can see. All right, just now we have discussed about this area as a turbulence area. So there may be some struggling into this area here. Pound dollar, well, pound dollar is looks like the selling starting, but a bit slow for pound dollar. If the selling is coming, it's going to be very slow, right? It's going to be slow. So anyone who entered for the selling for the pound dollar, please be patient. Okay, but it's going to be quite a good traffic down here into this area here. Then maybe total about 35 pips to go, right? But it's going to be slow, huh? It's going to be slow, right? It's going to be slow. Dollar yen. Okay, yes, let's take a look at dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen looks good. 美日看起来蛮不错的哈，现在就在这个挣扎的这个地区里面啊，如果还能突破这个区域呢，那有往下跌的可能性啊。OK， 这可能性还蛮大的。我们还有还有20个点啊，还有21个点的空间。Alright, so after breaking of this, we still have about 21 pips of space here, around 21 pips. Okay, after it breaks through. So for people who are more conservative, you can wait for this area, right? You can wait for this area here. Yeah, that is one that we are looking out for. Okay. Yes, that's one. Okay. Yeah. For the goal wise, I'm looking at this area to maybe this area. If this retest into this area and is still holding as a resistance, then it form up a very good space down here for selling 26 pips there. I think pretty good. Okay, that will be pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Sabrina, yes. Sabrina from Philippines. Yep. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Dollar yen, I have already entered for the selling. The next TP I'm setting at 134. Let me see, 134. 13405. 13405. Okay, around there, huh? 105 3405. Okay, I think you are setting up because of this area, right? Okay. Yeah, so quite okay, but the first thing first, it has to get out of this area first. It has to get through this area. Okay, it has to get through this area. Right. Once you get through this area, selling is quite possible. Okay, I mean, some big selling may be quite possible over at that point. Okay, pound dollar, right? Pound dollar. Looks like pound dollar is coming for the selling right now. It may retest into this area once again. Okay, it may retest into this area once again. Right, then the selling may come in. Okay, if you have already sold just now earlier on, I think that's okay. That's still quite okay. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's for the pound dollar. Those who have already sold the pound dollar, hang on, hold your pound dollar. Okay, hold your pound dollar first. There's still quite a good chance for the selling. Okay, for dollar yen, oh, looks like it's still struggling in this area here. Set up the supports into this area, and now let's shift this down. Okay, over here. Right, so this is one area that we should be paying attention to. If this resistance able to hold it down, I think that then there will be another good chance for coming down to sell. Okay, so from here, it will still be coming down here to take this about 10 pips of area here. Okay, we are explaining zone by zone. Okay, we are still talking about zone by zone here. All right. Yes, thank you, Wing Tang. Right, Wing Tang. Thank you so much. Hi, Wing. Yeah, 你听得懂英文吗？如果听得懂英文的话，我们可以一起啊。OK， 但如果你要发问问题的话呢，你可以用中文发问啊。OK。 Well，最好是可以直接导入进这个 YouTube 里面啊，那么呢就会更好。Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's come in here. Come in here. Come in here. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar. Wow, pound dollar looks good. Right. Pound dollar also looking good. So at the moment right now, okay, at the moment right now, seems like this pound dollar is actually giving some push. Okay, creating the lower low from this whole trending. Okay, from this whole trending here. So it should be still on the downward trend. Yeah. Pound dollar is still looking good. Yeah. Right. Quite possible. Okay. Quite possible that sorry, let me shift over to dollar yen. Okay. Quite possible that if this dollar yen is going to hold as a resistance into this area here, all right, then after that it should be coming back down here. Number one, it's going to come back into this area to set up the support, to meet up with this support. So you will see a letter A over here. Okay, like a triangle, A and alphabet A over here. Then if it's not breaking out, then it will start to move to take the highs again. Let's say if this is going to break out of this area here, all right, good for the selling. Let's say the scenario one is the hold. Within this scenario, resistance set up. Right. The important part when I'm going to explain and then it went off. Okay. So okay. Okay, yes. All right. I'm so sorry for the disturbance here. Okay, so over at this point here, all right. So let's see how it closes. If this is going to close below this resistant area here, then there will be a good chance that it will still continue to come back for the selling. All right. If not, it seems like it's the breaking of the structure. Once it closes above, then that's it, no more. Okay, then it's no good. Okay. Yeah. Somehow, yeah. Okay. Let's see if this seems like tentatively is going to, the selling structure here is being disturbed. Okay, because of this area here. All right. Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. Pound dollar also. Oh, okay. It went back again now. Well, let's see. Okay. Pound dollar. Okay. So hang on. Let's see how it goes. So far there's no break of structure yet over here, and also dollar yen. now dollar yen. If this dollar yen is going to break above, if you go close above, then we'll see how it goes. Because yeah, you see, because over here, okay, you see, because over here, this is the area that is quite tough, right? Some turbulence. We just now earlier we were talking about this. Yeah. So now it came into this area here. Yeah, and started to struggle, then struggle came down, and then now started to shoot up. So will it actually break this selling structure here? If this is not going to break, it's going to close back here, then it's fine. If not, then it's no good. Okay, then you should be going for to look out for the highs up there, right? So this is an Asian high right now. Okay, so this is an Asian low right now. So tentatively still need a little bit of observation. Okay. Well, hang on with that. All right, hang on with that. Okay. Tentatively, I'm waiting for the closure. Okay, let's see how the closure. After that, will the candle actually comes back here for the selling to set up the support? Okay, then we will see how it goes. Yeah. Right. Yeah, we need a little bit of time. Okay. Okay. Let's wait and see. No worries. This is still within this area. We have about 1 minute to go. Okay, 1 minute to go. Right, this 1 minute. Will this 1 minute actually give some another push selling to come down? Okay, then we will see how should we react when it comes back here. Right. Important thing, the important part here is that I want to see if this is actually coming in to sell back into this area here. All right. Okay. Okay. Seems like over at this point here, they close above here, right? And let's see. Will this actually come back here, because we are now into this resistance here, this area here, correct? There's one area here. Yeah. This area here. Right. So yeah, you're right. This is also one of the pivot point. This is also a pivot point area here. Yeah. Not really. Okay. The breaking of structure, I'll be looking into this area here. Okay, so if this is going to retest into this area, if this is going to come down here, okay, let's say, okay, we'll use this line. Right. If the price is going to come down and stop here, right, it's going to stop here to set up the support, and then it will continue. Then I will see that, okay, seems like the breaking of the structure has surfaced, and then selling of dollar yen is not very promising anymore. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For now, okay. Yeah, let's take a look for this area here. Looks like this area here, it may be coming in for looking into the dollar yen. All right, it's still looking out for the support. It's still looking out for a very strong support. Yeah. So currently, it has not. The support should be still here. Still be looking out into this area for support. Yeah, I think it should be still have some space there to come down, unless over here it came down to set up another higher low over here with a support. Then okay, call a stop for the selling. Then we don't go for the selling anymore. Okay, yeah. Exactly, correct. Let me have a drink first. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, seems like it's coming in. So that we have 2 points to look out for, 2 key levels to look out for now. Okay, one over here, this level. If this is going to break below, okay, that's fine. So that means to say we are still in the selling structure. If this is going to stop here and then we have a support coming up from here, then no more. We are not going to sell it anymore. Okay, then we'll be looking out for it to go and take out the highs. Okay, so at the moment, no yet. Yeah. Right. Okay, so now we are coming near. We are coming near to 134.222. 134.222. Okay, if this 134.222 is going to break below 134.222, and then maybe we are still staying in the selling structure, then we can still look for selling. Okay, right. And if this is going to stop here, right, to build up a support to buy, okay, then that means you can see from this turbulence area, one support here, then from there it will still have one support, it will still continue to go up. Okay, all right, so that will be one. Okay, so looking out for the buy side, then we'll be into this area. The buy is there's still plenty of buy areas. Anyway, we know that for dollar yen today, we are still looking into the support before we can continue the buy. Okay, so let's wait for the support to surface before we go for the buy. All right. Okay. So meanwhile, it's just it's still looking out for this area. Then probably from there, then we will be looking out to take the support. Okay. Go TP 5 pips. Congratulations, Carlo. Well done. Okay, good. That's nice. Let's take a look. The goal. Aha. Okay, well done. It's okay. That's great. That's great. Okay, now going for the buy side, huh? Nice. Okay. Yeah, and high Forex New Way, dollar yen to go up to 134.863. Let's see, 134.863. Let's see, 863 is probably around here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think that's yeah. Okay, so we are all waiting for support. we are waiting for a support area. We are waiting for a support area. Exactly. Yeah. Why the shit? You don't have to. Money into the pocket is always the best strategy. Money running in the market is never your money. Am I right? High five, man. Yeah, that's good. All right. Very good. All right. So, yep. Well done. Okay. Nice. Okay, continue. Let's see. Dollar yen. Yeah, dollar yen. We are coming into this. We are coming back into this area first. Okay. Then coming to this area first. Then after that, when we will be looking out first, then maybe set up for a support. Then after that, it may go for a buy. All right. Yeah. Yeah, but also maximizing the move exit. Oh, I see. Let's see. Okay. But I think it's should be, we should maximize it. Yeah. But if we are building the port, then just keep whatever we have first to build a port, right? Okay, yeah, but anyway, you are doing good. Okay, I believe now your pot is growing for the past 2 weeks while I'm not around. Okay, yeah, dollar yen coming back here. Dollar yen support is 134.11. 134.11. Let's take a look. Yeah, okay, 134.11. Yeah, it should be around here. Okay, so if broken, 133.997. 133.997. Yeah, it should be here, around this area here. Yep. Okay. Yep. I think that's pretty good also. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Forex New Way, for sharing. All right. And yeah. Okay. Oh no， 我忘了开直播，我应该开直播的哈。Okay. Okay, so over at this point here, yesterday the VWAP for dollar is 134, 134.014, 134.014 huh? VWAP, you mean the last Friday, right? $134.014. Okay, mine was 134.056. Okay, I think plus minus about there. Yeah, I think plus minus should be about there. Okay, yeah, thank you for the information feed. Yeah, and let's see. Okay, so do remember over at this point here, we have to be a little bit careful. The Asian low was taken out on Friday, so there's no need to drop much lower. There's an Asian high to be taken out from today. Yeah, over here. Right, over here. This is the point here. Over this area here. Then on the last Friday. Yeah. Over at this point here. To be taken out. Okay, this area from here, the lower taken out here. So here, this area here. Okay, so one area here. Yep. Okay, so pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar retrace up with this area here. No more. The retesting come in here. Okay, came in here. The retesting came in here over at this point. It came down It retest to build a new lower resistance over down here to take. Just like we discussed. Right, it came down here. It's going to retest this area from the resistance below this area here. Then we go for the selling. But unfortunately, it did not follow the plan. So no entry here. And dollar yen, we are actually into this area here. Now this area, turbulence area, right? Okay, it is a turbulence area. So yeah, it's getting in here and then it started to go back. Now, let's see. Okay, I will be looking into this area here. Will this, if this resistance still continue to hold, then if this resistance continue to hold, it may still come back here. All right, it may still come back here for this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So no for this. Not yet. Yeah. Right. Pound dollar dropped to yesterday's VWAP. Okay. Pound dollar. Okay. Okay. Well, seems like now we are waiting for pound dollar to take out the highs first, huh? Okay, let's take out the highs first. Yes. What will you do? What will you do when you have running profits? What will I do when I have a running profits? Okay, that means okay, for example like the gold just now, Caro and I was talking about this. Let's say right now if I still have some profits running, okay, some profits running. First of all, I will always look out for, if I'm going for the buying, I will look out for key levels like where's the resistance, you know, okay, where are the resistance, okay, for me to take note. If the price, let's say the resistance now is actually coming into this area, all right, of resistance, am I right? Okay, this area of resistance, as we can see, very obvious. Okay, so once it hits on the resistance, okay, there may be some rejections, but I will not cut the trade immediately to realize my profits. Okay, I will see if there's another round. Okay, if another round of selling, another round of resistance that is lower, that means a low high coming in, then right, and then I will consider to realize profit. Okay, I may not, in this way I may not be able to maximize whatever up there. All right, or alternatively, if you are willing to give up some chance that you may grab more, once it hits on the resistance, okay, you may close the trade to realize your profit. But it may also happen in a way that it may break the resistance and go further up, correct? So whenever there's a profit running, there is no 100% hard and fast rules, then we will be able to maximize the profits. Okay, so always set the target that is satisfying enough. You know, why am I talking about satisfying enough? Is because it always keep my emotions stable and follow my structure, my trading structure. If you are always looking to maximize the profits, okay, but not following the structure, all right, the trading structure, then sooner or later you will fall out of the trading structure, which is a thing that is going to bring you long run. Okay, it's going to bring you long-term profits, long run, and be able to stay in the market long enough to, as a full-time trader, to continue to reap the profits. So always follow the structure. So if your structure is going to set it here, and then you can do it this way. All right, then you can always do it this way. Okay, yeah, right. So that is one. Okay, that is one. Yeah. Okay, so yes, Forex News has something to say here. Pound dollar price to watch is pound dollar price. Let's take a look. Pound dollar price to watch is 124.569. Okay, 124.569. Okay. If that is broken, we'll hit up to challenge the last Wednesday high. Okay, over here. Right. So over here. Okay, so let's 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Well, that's quite possible. In fact, all right, that's quite possible. I mean, to what I see here, I think yeah, it's still respecting this. Okay, still quite good. Okay, if you have a trade running in profit, consider using a, okay, if Forex New also sharing his view here, that if you have a trade running in profits, consider using a 5 period and a 13 period of a simple SMA, SMA. All right. Then if you are in a buy and the price breaks back below the 13 period, okay, then close the trade. All right. That means that if you are in a buy, let's say you are in a buy, okay, you're in a buy and the price breaks back below the 13 period, then you can consider to close the trade. Okay. Yeah, if you're in the buy, then the price break back below 13 period moving average, close the trade. Okay, so you can have a 5 and 13. You can have a 5 and 13, right? 5 and 13. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah. So usually, okay, as I it's a very similar way. Okay, so if you are in a buy, okay, so let's say you are in a buy. If you are in a buy, then you have a 13. Okay, 13. Let me have this. Okay. Okay, so if you are in a buy, okay, let's say we are going to put this in. Okay. Consider using 5 period and 13 period. Okay, let's say 13. Okay, let's say 13. Okay, then we'll use a simple apply to close. Okay, let me have a tick one. Okay. Okay, let's say, okay, if the price is going to close below the 13, that means the price is going to close below the 13. Okay, then you can close the trade. Okay, so it's in somehow rather, if you're going to look at that, okay, by the time it's going to close below, it may be the breaking of the structure again. Okay, so if you can see the breaking of structure come back again, yeah, then it may already be closing below the 13 SMA. Okay, it may be closing below the SMA. Then yeah, I think that would be good to also close the trade. Okay, yeah. Currently looking at that, the after hitting on this, the buying is still it may be still there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's one. Okay. For dollar yen is still struggling around here, this area here. They may still have a good chance there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah, guys, I still have about 20 minutes with you. All right. Let me warm up my live streaming first. Okay, I will go with about 2 hours. Right, so I still have 20 minutes with all of you here. Then I'll be back again tomorrow. Okay, so that keep my vocal strong enough to go on. Okay. Yeah. OK，那我们的星期三的这个晚上的那个课程啊，我们还是要继续哈。OK，大家就要安排一下好时间啊，我们这星期三的这个课程啊。OK，在 Zoom 里面哈。OK，yeah。Well, for the night. For the night, Mandarin speaking. For the night Mandarin speaking, we will have KH. Okay, KH will be hosting the Mandarin session. Okay, we'll be hosting the Mandarin session. Okay. Yeah. KH, are you around? KH, are you there? Not sure. I'm not sure if he's around here. Yeah, because he's busy with something that I assigned to him. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look at dollar yen. If yeah, let's see if he replies. Okay. Yeah, and let's see. Apart from here, okay, then let's see, 抛yen, no, okay, yeah, dollar yen, pound dollar, okay, hang on with that first, anyway. Yeah, so just now you were talking about this, right? I'll be looking into this area here, Sabrina. Yeah, so this is one area, as I can see, the turbulence area. So it may come, it may hit here, and after it breaks below, then the selling there'll be another round of selling below. However, this is one that we are to pay attention to this. Once it hits here, we need a little bit of time. We need a little bit of time for it to actually to come back again. All right. So if this is going to break, if because of this is going to break the structure, okay, then no more. Okay, all right. Of course, that will consider no more for the selling anymore. Yeah. Okay. For now, I think probably we need to wait for the next H1 opening. Yeah, let's wait for the next H1 opening. I think that will be so much easier. Okay. Yeah. I would say that tentatively, yeah. Tentatively, okay. By looking into this, I still, if we're looking into this area here, right? We are ready to go for we are ready to go for a buy after the support has been tested. Yeah. Okay. Tentatively. Okay, so at the moment right now, we are looking into this area here. This, okay. Yeah. So don't risk into that. As of now, I see there's still good chance for the selling for the dollar yen, because right now seems like we are looking out for one support. But right now seems like a consolidation is coming in. Looks like okay, looks like. But let's wait and if to see if the consolidation is coming in as over here. Okay, so will it actually, after the consolidation, will it actually break this area to go down? I'm waiting for that. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. Okay. Yeah, let's wait for it. Oh, okay. We have next hour, I think should be good. Next hour. Yeah. Next hour should be good. Near term 134.37 is the max volume for the dollar yen. Okay, let's see. 134.37. Okay, it should be here. Okay. 134, 137. Okay, so yeah, this is the max volume here. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. UJ TP 4 times. I love third type of movement for scalping. Third type. What do you mean by third type? Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. 4 times. Oh, this type of movement. I see. Bradley. What a scalper. Fantastic scalper, you know? Yeah. So I believe you'll be. Yeah, I think you are grabbing here, here, here. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. My God. No. Yeah, great scalper. So I believe Bradley just now earlier on one swing down here. One. Another 2. Selling again 3. Buying again 4 maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think that is something. Okay. Amazing, amazing. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay. I think if that works for you, okay. If that works for you, I think that's pretty fine. Then but always be careful, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 4 times of TP, yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at pound dollar. I think it's moving a bit. Waiting for the next H1 to open now. Okay, so pound dollar looks like now we are ready to take the highs up there. So this area, you can see this area, well, it's coming in. It's going to take this. Obvious right now is going to mark up a higher lows here. Okay, so looks like it's going to push further up to take the highs. Okay, then the dollar yen wise, our targeted area, yes. Okay. Seems like still staying within the selling structure. It's still good. Okay. Yeah. Well, it looks like it's still pretty good. Okay. Then let's keep it going first. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I'm back. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay. Riano, yeah. Yeah, and let's see. This is going to take all this out. Then we may see a good selling down there. What's my M? What is that? for me, maybe $1,000. $1,000 will be good as a base foundation for the day to start off. Yeah, a profit of $1,000 first. Yeah, then that will be good. I'm not a super trader yet. Okay. I'm not a super trader to make a $10,000 each trade. Okay, not there yet. Well, I think on the average, should be looking out for 2 to 3,000. I think that should be quite decent income. Yeah, Riano. Of course, you are richer than me. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, yeah. Tentatively, guys. Let's put out all the nonsense first. Okay, am I right? Yeah, FOMO. That's one. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, for me myself, okay, I will be looking into if this is going to break through. Okay, so very likely that we will be looking out maybe the second half of the day. We will be looking for selling first to take a right down to look out for support. Subsequently, we'll be looking out for the buy. Okay, we'll be looking out for the buy to take out the highs as well. Okay, so tentatively by looking into this movement right now, Japan is, I think, Japan is going for dinner soon. Okay, so today, okay, so here it seems like we are struggling this area here, this mid here. Okay, so let's see if this is going to stay below this region. Then I think that will be still be good. Okay, it will still be good. All right, but if this is going to break above, okay, especially Bradley, no more selling. We'll be looking out for the buying. Okay, yeah. Then for the pound dollar, right? For the pound dollar wise, well, for the pound dollar wise, as we can see, the big move selling over down here. Then after that, it started to hover around this zone. Okay, hitting up onto the support area nicely here. Okay, so then now it started to move up to meet up with the resistance once again. Well, there may be a lot of turbulence into this pound dollar at the moment. Okay, but then we will look out for the resistance if you're looking for the selling. Okay, so for me, I'm actually right now over at this point here, I will still say that currently we are actually into this resistance right at this point here. So highly likely, okay, if this resistance is going to hold, likely it's going to come back here for the support. Okay, it should be about 23 pips to go. All right, so that's one for the pound dollar. If you're looking out for selling, always be patient. Wait for the formation to come in first before we actually take action. All right, do not predict and act according to your prediction. Okay, you can predict, but always act according to the movement. Okay, if the movement move according to your prediction. All right, I mean the prediction is also according to your plan. All right, then I think that would be good. Okay, then that would be good. Okay, yeah, so I guess over at this point here, from this area here, we can see the selling is coming into this area here. So let's see, let's wait for it to get into the selling again. All right, yeah, looks like okay, it's actually coming soon. All right, let me check through. Okay, for the past 30 minutes over here, the movement is going upwards, as we can see here. All right, so let's see if the next next hour is going to bring the price down to break out of this little retracement out here. All right. In terms of in M5, in M5, not general trend, but in M5. Okay, so over at this point here, yeah, then probably we have to wait for a little while. It may comes back here, okay, for the dollar yen. It may comes back here, right? But don't sell when it's at the lowest point at this here, right? It may retrace up again to form a resistance. Yeah, then it may start to sell down again. Okay, then this entry, there may be an entry point here over at this area here, which is about around 134, 165 for me, for my chart. Okay, so it may comes back, it may comes down here, then retrace back to this area about 135, 165, 134, 165, then form a new resistance. And this resistance with an entry is to break out of this area. Then after that, it may continue the selling to look out for the support, then continue the buy. Okay, so when it comes to the support, please don't expect it to break for more pips. Okay, be conservative. Okay, from here to here, from here about 134, 156 to 165. Okay, you have about 24, 25 pips. So I think that for me it's good enough. Okay, to capture 10 pips. I will call for a day, because tentatively looking into the whole of the trend over here, generally for the dollar yen is actually a buying trend. It's actually a buying trend, but it's now retracing downwards to look out for support before it go on the buying. Okay, yeah, it may happen that way, right? It may happen that way. Okay, so for me, I will be looking out for the support. Then once it hits on the support, and that's all for the selling today in terms of for right. Okay, yes, yeah. Once again, okay. Once again, I will wait for the first. Okay, retest the resistance first. Okay, let's wait for the retesting first. Yeah, retest this area here. Okay, because now it's retesting. Okay, there may be a good chance that the selling may comes in here to look out for the support or to. Okay, look out again. This is a very tough area. It's still a very tough area. Alright. Yeah. If you are Bradley, if you are Bradley, okay, you can go for a scalping. Okay, you can go for a scalping, because scalping for now have 7 pips. If you grab for 5, I think a bit tough, a bit tight. Okay, it's a bit tight. Yeah, so no point risking this. No point risking this. Okay. Yeah, so at end of the day, I think let's wait for it to get out of this, retest into this area to show another lower resistance to go further down. Then I think that will be a better choice. Okay, at least from there you have about 20 pips there. It's easier. This is this area to sell. I don't think is good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think yeah, you can wait for it. Yeah. Okay, pound dollar. How about pound dollar? Pound dollar. Okay, very obvious. Now we are going back to take this high. Okay, to take the highs up there. Okay, once the high has been taken out, then probably from there we will observe how it goes. Then if there's a good chance for another round of selling, then there will be a good chance the selling will be coming, let's say from here to here. Okay, from here to here, because end of the day it may form up the letter M here to test the neckline here. Then after that, then probably if it breaks, it may go further down. If not, then you may still continue. If this is going to break above this to set up a support above there, then you will still continue the buying. Okay, yeah. So these are the plans here for later on in the second half into the US session, New York session. Okay, so just take note. Don't have to rush into a trade, especially today's Monday. Okay, a lot of adjustment have to be done before we actually can consolidate the liquidity to form up the very clear directions for us to trade. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay. As for pound dollar, and for the gold wise, let's take a look. As for the gold, yeah, for the gold, well, we have tested under the resistance. If the gold, we are going for a selling. Okay, there's one point over here. Okay, this is the point. Selling may be coming in below this. If you're asking me to sell, I will be looking out for the selling point around here, and 1979.87 is my target. Okay, about there, yeah, about 116. Okay, 1979.87. Okay, about there, 1979.8 something. Okay, let's take away the fraction pip, huh? Okay, plus minus the difference is about there. Okay, that's for the goal. Yeah. Okay, my target is about 1979.87. 1979.87. Okay, the selling. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay, so guys can take a look at this. All right, so for the gold as well. Okay, for the gold as well, this is the price here, 1981.56 to about 16 pips, huh? 1979.87. Okay, all right. I think that's okay. That should be quite. This one should be quite promising. Yeah, that's for the gold. Yes. Good. Okay. I'm glad to hear that. All right. Okay. Wait for the goal. I think wait for the goal. Yeah, I think the goal is pretty near. Yeah. All right, guys. I think that should be all for today. Okay. So, well, just now we'll talk about the plans for the New York session. Well, and I shall end my live streaming over here to keep my vocal in a healthy state so that I can come back tomorrow. Okay, guys, so I shall see you tomorrow, and I shall wish you good luck with bountiful of these profits in the New York session. Okay, all right, thank you so much, guys, and I shall see you again tomorrow. And do remember to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, thank you so much, and this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again. Thank you so much. See you.